Hello women, you all are like a stars. The stars in a dark night. Where dark night is give you a horrible phase of mind. When you see, like on my shirt, these dots are like the stars in a dark night that give and that gives and that decreases the fear of having alone. That what the nature gives you by creating for a man, a woman. As a woman, you are the only one who made the men to live normally. Normally with peace and prosperity, with positivity of love and positivity of fellowship and make our social global relationship building strong and healthier. As we all know, today is 8 March 2020, which is International Women's Day, which comes from the Western side. Now it's become an International Women's Day. I just want to say on the Eastern side of the world, and on the Eastern side of the world, we have realized that the problems on the West are different, but on the Eastern side are totally different, but engaged in the same process, in the same lifestyle. The connectivity of the Western side have turned out to be in Eastern sides are different from the modern society towards the sometimes we can say it is this society is not as modern as the Western side, because of the traditional and the cultural of the South Asia, India, Pakistan and now Bangladesh, whatever after partition of the South Asia, we have these countries which are made, but have today the similar situation and the same women right issues, from empowerment towards from, if you started from the childhood of the girls in the villages and in the small towns of the India, Pakistan and Bangladesh. I just want to highlight today how this International Women's Day can put life changing effects on those women which are actually hurted from this International Women's Day, which are not part of this campings of the International Women's Day March, which we all can say is a historical International Women's Day March. And I just want to tell you that a girl in a small village, due to poverty in India, Pakistan and Bangladesh, there are many children of the particular families. They have 8 to 9 children on an average, I can tell you. Because of this, the father and the family, they have a less wages per day, less earning hands. So they to get money. It was, I just want to tell you, internationally we highlight child labor, but where women child labor is highlighted in India, Pakistan and Bangladesh, across all these 3 major countries. Men are working in the factories, but where the women goes? They goes in a big cities, in a mega cities, in the big houses, and in the small cities, in a big houses like landlords, the people who are working in government, big employees, and they work in their houses. And at that particular place, the torture, the pains, the sexual harassment which these girls were faced due to the family, and they have a pressure to by their also family, but also by the particular people which they are working in the family which is rich. They are working and they have elite class. They have a pressure to not to open their mouth. What kind of harassment they have being used in the home. It was a discouraging and a disaster, which turned out to be a very internationally no one has recognized and no one has worked for it globally. So I just want to tell you, on International Women's Day, we have to find out how to overcome these women's issues, girls issue in a beginning, which turned out to be horrible for the society, which in the if, in the present future, in the future it comes to the prostitute kind of a family life style, which can cause more than a disease, more than a coronavirus, you can say, more than a cancer, or more than say HIV AIDS, any kind of you can call it a disease, will hurt that kind of child, girls child labor, which is already to educate them is the most essential part which governments of India, Pakistan, Bangladesh have